going down. Woohoo!
Woo!
So it's the last couple of days of summer. We officially got our first snowfall yesterday, so it's actually, summer's definitely over at this point. But it's still sunny out, it's still kind of warm. Got to get some of our last minute summer activities in. Got to get a few more skate sessions in. And I know Breckenridge is having their Oktoberfest party this weekend too, so we'll probably get some clips of that. Unfortunately, our skate session's gonna get cut short a little bit today, only because we got to get to work, but we'll sneak it in while we can. Then we'll go to work, and tomorrow will be another day. Alright, so we just got done skating Breck Skate Park. Unfortunately, we got rained out, so it stopped at 11:30, although the sunshine seems to be coming back out as soon as we walk out. But unfortunately, Kaitlin's got to leave for work right now, so we're probably not going to do anything more interesting. So we'll just flash to tomorrow. Jeez, dude, come on.
What?
Take any little bit longer.
Day 2, we're at Breckenridge, Colorado for the Oktoberfest. Gonna have a lot of fun today. Sadly, we do have to work at like 1 o'clock, so it sucks. But for at least an hour, we're gonna walk around, try and get wasted before work. Just kidding.
Unfortunately, not much is set up right now, so.
No, they're still setting up, so we're just chilling, waiting for someone to open. Not much planned for today, sadly. You get to work here, directly in front of Oktoberfest.
Yep, I know I'm gonna have a good time.
Bratwurst stand right in front of the store. That's not fair.
Nope.
I like some bratwurst.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you like bratwurst?
I like bratwurst.
Nice.
I like that German meat.
Oh boy. Jesus.
Makes it Hawaiian.
I don't know, dude.
Yeah.
It's just.
So like, what's the fun? Just call it shaved ice. Why you gotta call it Hawaiian shaved ice?
Maybe it's extra sweet, like Hawaii.
Yeah.